Everyone, this is a really cool airplane float for kids. So it's a thick quality plastic material here. A nice rubber handle, very quality made there. To fill it up, just your standard plug, and put it back in, you're good to go. So what I really like about this is its squirt gun capabilities. So what you do is you feed this cord through this hole here. It goes all the way down to the bottom. And then what you're gonna do is just give it a nice little tug until it sits flush right there. And you're good to go. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna suck up the water so the kids can play out in the water and squirt. So this airplane just has such a cool design to it. Very colorful. It's great for all kids. I have a 3 and a 5-year-old. They both fit in it. They love playing in this. Just so much fun. Airplane's very detailed. Great quality. Highly recommend.